Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Nikwa. I'm Shanice, and if you are new here, hello, welcome to my channel. So this week I have a cool new nail tutorial for you guys again this week, and it's going to be another inspiration nail tutorial again this week. And this nail tutorial is going to be inspired by Ariel, as you see here. So let's get this nail train started, and you continue watching. But before you do, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this YouTube video a like. I really appreciate it. So let's get started with this video. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into this nail tutorial. And so I already have 2 coats of white nail polish as my base coat at the bottom. So I use LA Code's Color Craze Energy Source, and I use that white as a base because I'm going to do a ombre on top. This nail tutorial is inspired by Ariel, and she's a mermaid, so I wanted to do a different type of technique. So after I let the white base dry completely, and I found some lace I had laying around, and I wish there was a bigger lace holes, as you will see here, but they're a little small, so I laid that on top of each nail. I had a little section for each nail, and I really stretched it out so you have that pattern. And then I took a makeup sponge wedge and applied these 3 colors. So of her had the tails like a sea green, so I applied Hansen's Jazzy Jade on the top of the makeup sponge wedge. And then I applied, for her bra color is purple, so I used Sinfulcolors Tempest, and I applied that underneath Jazzy Jade. And then I applied a red, which is LA Colors Color Last Captive Red, underneath the purple, and kind of blend each color in a little bit as you put on the makeup sponge wedge. And then as the lace is all over on your finger, and then you want to dab and try to make it look fab onto your nail, but it went kind of downhill from here. But as you do that, you dab that on with the lace, and then as you are finished, as you can see, it didn't really bring the lace design that I really wanted, but it still kind of gave that look of a mermaid. So I continue on and just went with it. So I did that for each nail. After I did all the ombres on each nail, I then applied these nice glitter shimmers on top to make it more of a mermaid glisten. So I first applied LA Colors Unicorn Sparkle on top of each nail. Then I applied LA Colors Color Last Opal White on top of that. Then I applied Salon Perfect No Hunty on top of that, and combine them all together. It makes a cool little shimmer shine look to this nail tutorial, and make sure to let it dry between each coat. So I wanted to try to make it more influence of Ariel, as this whole nail tutorial is inspired by. So on my thumb, I just want to make like the outline of her fin. So I took a dark green, which I used Sally Hansen's Emerald City, and I made a fin outline on my thumb. I after I made the outline, I used some dark shiny green diamond beads that I had and applied that onto the outline of her fin. Put that all the way around. Some light green caviar beads as well as for the tip, so it really covers it all up, and I used that. So don't mind the little gold like seahorse and the starfish. It didn't come out right, so I ended up taking them off. So I applied these purple pearl nail beads onto each of the nails on the right side of the nail at the corner, just like 4 of them on each one but the thumb, and I did that for each nail. Now we are finished and done with this nail tutorial, and all we have to do left is to seal it and enjoy your day. So I used Pro Effects Quick Dry High Gloss Top Coat to seal this nail design in. And this is the finished look of my Ariel inspired nail tutorial. I hope you liked it. So you guys, what did you think about my inspired Ariel nail tutorial that I did for you guys this week? At the end, I thought it was not too bad, so I hope you liked it too. If you want to be nice and go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, you'd be awesome. And also give me a like and share this video so others might want to do this too. So thank you so much for watching, and until next week with another nail tutorial, goodbye.